Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the DoorDash app on your iPhone has been loading slowly, freezing, showing old information, or acting unusual, clearing app cache might help smooth things out. On iPhone, the process works a little differently compared to other devices because there is no direct clear cache button for many apps. That can leave people wondering where to even begin when the app starts feeling sluggish or stops behaving normally. The good news is that refreshing stored app data on an iPhone usually takes only a few moments and can help the app feel more responsive again. Let's go through a simple way to clear cache on the DoorDash app for iPhone. Try this. Step 1. Close the DoorDash app completely on the iPhone before starting the refresh process. Step 2. Open iPhone settings and locate the storage section related to the DoorDash app. Step 3. Review the storage details shown for the DoorDash app to check saved app data size. Step 4. Remove and reinstall the DoorDash app if temporary files need a full refresh on iPhone. Step 5. Sign back into the DoorDash app after installation finishes successfully. Step 6. Open the DoorDash app again and check if performance feels smoother after refreshing the data.